There was a thick forest. The rainy season was fast approaching. One day, a bird came there and asked the tree to allow the bird to build its nest in that tree. But the tree refused to allow the bird to build its nest. The bird became sad and went to the next tree. The bird asked the next tree to allow it to build a nest in that tree. The tree happily allowed the bird to build its nest in it. The bird built a nest in that tree and lived happily with its chicks. A few days later, it rained heavily. The first tree fell down due to heavy rain. Seeing this, the bird laughed and said,
"Look at your fate. You refuse to give me a place to build a nest. Now, this rain has brought you down."
The tree smiled and replied,
I know that I am weak, and I will fall in the rain. I want you to live happily and peacefully with your children. So that I did not allow you to build your nest.
The bird felt sorry for misunderstanding the tree and apologized to the tree. Moral: never judge a book by its cover.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press like, share and subscribe for more videos.